Hi all, we are going to learn calculus at Laplace transforms. Subject code is 19MA202. Course outcome of this unit. At the end of the course, learners will able to evaluate Laplace transforms with the elementary functions, and they learn to apply the concepts in solving linear second order ordinary differential equations. Outline of this video. We'll see definition of Laplace transform. Second thing, Laplace transform formula. Third, basic problems. So first thing, definition of Laplace transform. Let f of t be a function of variable t which is defined for all positive values of t. We write L of f of t equal to integral over 0 to infinity e power minus st f of t dt. Now it is denoted as L of f of t equal to capital F of s. So Laplace transform formula, we have a Laplace L of 1 equal to 1 by s, where s is greater than 0, L of e power at equal to 1 by s minus a, L of t power n equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1, L of t power p equal to gamma of p plus 1 divided by s power p plus 1. This p can be replaced as n also. L of sin at equal to a by s square plus a square. L of cos at equal to s by s square plus a square. L of sin h at equal to a by s square minus a square. L of cos h at equal to s by s square minus a square. L of e power at sin bt equal to b by s minus a whole square plus b square. L of e power at cos bt equal to s minus a divided by s minus a whole square plus b square. Then L of t power n e power at can be written as n factorial divided by s minus a whole power n plus 1. So going on to problem 1. Find the Laplace transform of L of t square. Solution. L of all t power n can be written as L n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. So here we want to find out L of t square, that is n equal to 2. So on substituting here, a 2 factorial divided by s power 2 plus 1, which is 2 by s cube. Then find L of cos 3t. L of cos 80 formula we should take s by s square plus a square. So L of cos 3t equal to s by s square plus 3 square, that is 9. Problem 2. Find L of t power 3 by 2. Now it is the power is in fraction. So we will take L of t power n formula, gamma of n plus 1 divided by s power n plus 1, where in the place of n you have 3 by 2. That is gamma of 3 by 2 plus 1 divided by s power 3 by 2 plus 1, where n equal to 3 by 2. Now gamma of n plus 1 equal to n gamma n. So I can write this one as 3 by 2 gamma of 3 by 2, where n equal to 3 by 2. Now here again 3 by 2 can be splitted as 1 by 2 plus 1. Now here on applying this formula, gamma of n plus 1 can be written as n gamma n 1 by 2 gamma of 1 by 2. That is gamma of 1 by 2 equal to root pi. So after substituting here, on simplification we get 3 into root pi divided by 4 into s power 5 by 2. Problem 3. Find L of e power minus at cos bt. Here we have a direct formula in the formulas. L of e power at cos bt formula, s minus a divided by s minus a whole square. Suppose here you are having e power minus at into cos bt, means the formula will become s plus a divided by s plus a whole square plus b square. So directly we can apply, or we can apply this condition. L of e power minus at cos bt can be written as, first we will take L of cos bt, and what is the formula? E power minus at means we should replace s tends to s plus a. Now cos bt formula s by s square plus b square. In this formula we have to replace s by s plus a. We will get the answer. Problem 4. Does a Laplace transform of cos at divided by t exist? Justify the answer. So now by taking, if L of f of t equal to capital F of s, then 1 by t f of t has a limit as t tends to 0. So by using this condition, L of f of t by t equal to integral over s to infinity capital F of s into ds. That is, on applying the limit t tends to 0 in the formula, we get cos at divided by t equal to cos 0, which is 1, and by 0, 1 by 0 equal to infinity. So as we get on substituting and applying limit t tends to 0, we are getting infinity. The limit does not exist. So L of cos 80 by t does not exist. Problem 5. Find L of sin 8t cos 4t plus cos cube 4t plus 5. Now L of this whole term we have to split into 3 parts. L of sin 8t cos 4t plus L of cos cube 4t plus L of 5. Now on taking the first term, here it is in product. We cannot apply Laplace transform. By using formula, we have to split this one. So we can apply sin A cos B formula, which is sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B divided by 2, where A value is 80, B is 40. On substituting in the formula, we get L of sin 12t plus sin 4t divided by 2. Now this can be splitted into 2. 1 by 2 taking outside, L of sin 12t plus L of sin 4t can be written as 1 by 2. 1 by 2. What is L of sin 80 formula? A by s square plus a square. Here the a value is 12. 12 by s square plus 144 plus here a value is 4. 4 by s square plus 16. Then L of cos cube 40. This is, we have to first of all apply the formula and split the, remove the cubic power. So cos cube theta equal to cos 3 theta plus 3 cos theta divided by 4. So here theta is 40. Substituting in the formula, we get L of cos 12t plus 3 cos 4t divided by 4. Now 1 by 4 when on taking outside, L of cos 12t plus 3 into L of cos 40. And L of cos 80 is nothing but s by s square plus a square, that is s by s square plus 144. And here it is 3s by s square plus 16. Here by using cos 80 formula, here also I am using cos 80 formula. Where a is 12 and here a is 4. Now the last term is L of 5, which is a constant term. Constant term can be taken outside. 5 into L of 1. L of 1 is nothing but 1 by s, which is 5 by s. So 3 terms, this first term answer, second term answer, third term answer we got. On adding all 3, we will get the solution of the given problem. So it is L of sin 80 cos 40 plus cos cube 40 plus 5 equal to 1 by 2, 12 by s square plus 144 plus 4 by s square plus 16, and the second term answer, third term answer. Thank you, students.